If you look at your wrist right now, you will probably be able to see your veins. They may look blue, blue-green, or bluish-purple in color depending on the undertone of your skin. Have you ever wondered why they look blue? Could it be that we actually have blue blood? The answer is, no. Deoxygenated blood from your veins is just a darker red compared to the bright red oxygenated blood in your arteries. If you've ever had a blood test, you've seen it yourself, the blood from your veins comes out as red, not blue. So why do veins look blue? To solve this mystery, we need to first look at how light interacts with our skin. White light is a combination of all the colors in the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. When white light is split, we see all these 7 colors. Each color corresponds to a specific wavelength, and different wavelengths of light behave differently when they hit surfaces. There's a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, which explains the scattering of light by particles that are much smaller than the wavelength of light, like molecules in the air or tiny structures in your skin. Rayleigh found that shorter wavelengths, like blue and violet, scatter about 10 times more than longer wavelengths like red when light passes through tiny particles. So shorter wavelengths of light, like blue, are scattered more than longer wavelengths, like red, when light passes through small particles, like air, or tissues in your skin. Now let's come back to why veins look blue. When light enters your skin, blue wavelengths are more likely to scatter back to your eyes. Meanwhile, red light goes deeper into your skin, and much of it is absorbed rather than reflected back. So even though the blood inside is red, your eyes receive more scattered blue light, especially for veins close to the surface. Even if veins contain dark red blood, your eyes see more scattered blue light, making veins look blue and creating an optical illusion. So basically, your veins look blue because blue light scatters more and reflects back from your skin. Because less red light is reflected from the vein and more blue light bounces back, your brain interprets the veins as bluish in color. This is an optical illusion, not an actual difference in color of the blood. Now you might wonder, why aren't we able to see arteries then? The reason is simple. Arteries are located much deeper in your skin, so they aren't usually visible. Veins, on the other hand, are closer to the surface, especially in areas like the wrist, hands, or feet, so they're more affected by this light scattering effect. Here's a fun fact. The sky and your veins look blue for the same reason. Both phenomena are due to Rayleigh scattering. When sunlight enters the atmosphere, blue light scatters in all directions by air molecules. Your eyes see this scattered blue light, so the sky looks blue. In your skin, blue light is scattered more as it reflects off structures like veins, so the veins look blue. This phenomenon is also why traffic and warning lights are red. Because red light scatters less, it travels farther distances and stays visible even during fog, dust, or storms. So next time you wonder why your veins look blue, now you know. It's simply an optical illusion because of the way light interacts with our skin. Your blood is not blue. Your brain just thinks it is. If you want to know more about arteries and veins, check out my previous video about blood vessels. And as always, stay curious.